In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create these type of shots which are called flipbook animation or video to video animation or image to video animation right from image or from directly from text or even stylizing your existing video. So it's going to be having 5 parts, so make sure you stick around with me till the end because these sort of videos are extremely in trend and are getting very high view in Instagram and YouTube Shorts. So with that, let's begin with the tutorial. Step 1. Go to Kaiber AI and create an account. You might need to give your credit card or UPI detail in order to get 7 days free trial. Once you get into that, then after opening your account, go to this create video option. Here you have 3 types of models. One is you can have a flipbook animation, you can have motion animation, you can have a transformation animation. One by one we will be exploring all these 3. You may alternatively create a complete animated video out of an audio, and you can also animate an image. So we will be actually working on all these 5 different parts. So let's go. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. Part 2. Go to this flipbook animation option. Here you can either upload an image or else you can upload an audio. I will first go to image option and I will upload my image. I have got these images, so I will upload this image first. Open. You can also enter an audio here. So I can give this satellite audio. So once this is done, then edit your prompt. Once you go to edit your prompt, you get this beautiful 2 boxes of prompt where you are getting a guide in order to create the prompt. Here you have some suggestions also. Okay, so you can take a style from here or you can take a suggestion. Philosopher, this one. Okay, here you have different types of styles. You can check which style is going well with your kind of video. So let me go to this option, energetic option, then go to video settings option. Here you have 3 things. One is song upload, same length video will be generated here. So I can go up till 1 minute video. Okay, not more than that. Second is camera movement. Now camera movement, I have a few options, but I ideally go for either zoom in or zoom out option. Here I'm going to go for zoom out option. Now you may show the original image at the beginning or you may not. I love to go by showing the original image in the first frame and then change it and then evolve. Evolve means the more will be evolve ratio. You can go from 0 to 10. The more will be evolve ratio, the more dynamic changes or more aggressive changes will happen here. But if I keep it in between 1 or 2, this will be more stable. It will create more stable videos. So I would like to go for 1. Okay. Now audio reactivity, you may keep medium or high. You can see it will consume 60 credits. And once everything is done, you can go to generate preview option. Let the preview get generated. Okay, now I have 4 previews. You will have to choose which one to start with. Okay, now I will choose this one. This one I should be going for the first frame and then they will change. Now you see there is something called scene here. So this is basically first scene. Now if I go to scene once again, and I can take some other option from here, the same images second scene will be created. Now here I can change the style also. I can change to this style, okay, and then go to video setting. Here I will go to zoom in option. Evolve will still remain 1. So here you can see scene 1 and scene 2 both will be created, generated, okay, and then you can just select from which time frame scene 2 should start. Scene 1 is at the beginning and I want scene 2 to start from maybe 26 seconds. And audio reactivity is still medium, and then go to generate preview and then create video. So it's generating, it will be coming in my video section. Whatever you are generating, that would be appearing in my video section. Now again I will go to create video option. This time I will be going to this motion option. Same way, you can directly write a prompt here. So I'm going to write a prompt from gallery this time. So I will go to gallery, this one. You can just copy the prompt from here. Prompt is copied. Go to create video option and go to this motion option, generate by word. So I will just paste my prompt here, and here I will have to again select the style. So this time I am going to this steampunk style. Okay, I still have an option to drag and drop an image. If you want, you may drag and drop an image. So let me again drag and drop one image here. So I'll take this image. Since I have given a prompt here, I am not selecting a subject from here. Okay, I've just given a prompt. Now after that, I will go to video settings option. Again, my duration, this time I'm keeping 10 seconds duration. You may keep the duration low. In the previous case, why the duration was not coming separately? Because I uploaded one referral song and the song's audio track was long enough to cover complete 1 minute. Therefore, it was not giving the duration choice. Here, since I have not got any such reference, so I have this choice. So I'm keeping it 10 seconds. Evolve, again, I would prefer to go for 1 or 2 maximum this time. Okay. And model, there are 2 models, photorealistic and animated. I would like to go for animated model. Motion, again, motion, I would like to keep it at 4. Okay. Now, versions, you can keep 2 or 3 as per your requirement. After all this, go to generate preview option. Now I have got these 4 previews, so I would like to start with this. And then here, see, here I have only one scene and I cannot add any further scene because I have given one image, right? Now I will have to go to generate video option. This way, again, this will appear in my video section here. Now let's see how to do this transform option. Here actually you can upload any video. So I have got 3 videos. I will be experimenting with all these 3. First I will be taking this video of walking and then edit your prompt. Here I will just paste that prompt. Style, I will take this 3D rendering style, or rather comic neon style. Go to video settings option. Other settings will remain same for me. To that, generate the preview option. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. If you are a struggling YouTuber, make sure you watch the video which is coming up next.
3 reasons why new YouTubers fail. First is they only focus on creating content and they never invest time in learning how to do it in the right way. Second is they don't know how exactly the videos go viral. They don't know how to pick up the right video topic which can help them to get more views as well. Third is they are not aware of the features that are available in YouTube which can help them to get more views, subscribers as well. If you want to scale your channel 5x faster and earn more than 50,000 rupees per month by creating videos based on your passion, skill or talent, then YouTube Masterclass is for you. Just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. Hi, I'm Sriram Benur, content creator of channel A2C, which has more than million plus subscribers. And right now I have been coaching more than 2,000 plus students from across multiple countries, rated 4.9 on Trustpilot. In the 90-minute YouTube Masterclass, you're going to learn why you should consider YouTube, how exactly YouTube works, what are the skills that are needed to be a YouTuber, 3 powerful strategies which can help you to get more views, more subscribers, more video engagement, more click-through rate, and which can help you to earn more money as well. So just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. See you live.
So I, being his affiliate, I have already given the link in the description for his masterclass. Please do join in his masterclass and enrich your knowledge about being an YouTuber. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please consider to click the subscription button below and press the bell notification next to it. Please do like, share my content with others so that I can thrive every single day for creating better content for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.